Ito yung 5 volts na magpa-power dyan sa uplight. May LVD, may relay, may boost converter, may POE splitter. Ayan. So, dito.
Gusto mo ng stable at kumititang internet setup? You're in the right place! Join now! Starting at $199. Upgrade at $299. Hanggang $599, unlock exclusive tutorials, ready-to-use scripts, advanced settings, at complete wiring diagrams para sa piso Wi-Fi, at pro-level setups, sa public videos, step-by-step tutorials, honest reviews, at real-world Starlink setups. May live sessions pa for real-time troubleshooting, from DIY builds to recommended access points. Lahat yan covered. Check the description for trusted parts and stores. Start building today.
Earn up to $30 per 1,000 clicks on linkforties.net. Launch now.
Guys, yung mga kailangan nating materials, no? So, yung iba dito naman is optional. Pwede nyo tanggalin, pwede nyo palitan. Okay, so syempre kailangan mo ng battery. Battery. Ito optional to. Kailangan mo ng extension. And then, ito, 12 volts power supply. Still may 12 volts power supply kaya kailangan mo din siya ng wire at kailangan mo din ng plug, male plug. Then of course ito, LVD kailangan yan, so ito kailangan, then POE splitter, pwedeng gigabit, pwedeng non-gigabit, para kayo kung standalone okay na siguro yung non-gigabit. Boost converter, pwede itong gamitin sa TP-Link 24 volts at Compass 48 volts. And then, kailangan mo din ng relay. Then, kailangan mo ng mga DC jacks. And, ano pa? Ito, back converter para mapa-stable natin yung lalabas na mga. Ito naman is mini ATS para ito sa dual or hybrid. Sabihin natin, tawagin natin siyang mini hybrid kasi pwedeng solar, pwedeng AC or outlet or grid. Yeah. So, mini hybrid. So, yun yung kailangan natin. So, dito sa connect sa battery guys, pwedeng as much as possible gumamit kayo ng terminal lugs. And kailangan niya din pala ng ferrules and yung green pearl na. So ito yung sa guys, yung finish. Tapos na. Apply na may PC. Source of power. Pwedeng solar, pwedeng battery. And dito na lahat. Ito siya. So, ito yung 5 volts na magpa-power dyan sa uplight. May LVD, may relay, may boost converter, may POE splitter. So, ito, kasi yung positive ng battery. Diba? Yung for scrap kasi ito. Tsaka yung adapter. Ayan siya. Taklap lang kasi ito eh. So this is your uplight. Ayan. Ito may tornilyo. Hindi ito matama yan. Hindi ito matama dito. dito kasi meron siyang malaking space. So clear to. Clear dito sa side na to. Positive, negative. Guys. So, diba? So, kung gusto nyo gamitin ko sa ano, so, orange pie is papalitan nyo lang naman ito. Papalitan nyo lang naman ito ng VC jack instead na micro USB. Ito side nito. Kung naka CV naman, dito siya manggagaling. Punta dun sa CV, gamit ng DC jack, barrel jack, dalawang barrel jack nail, tapos barrel jack nail ulit napasok dun sa CV. Diba? Bots yun, itong bots. Yan lang. Basic lang yan, guys. Yung buong diagram sa ating guys, mag-start na tayo. Bali, i-mount ko siya dito sa may ano mismo para pag binuhat mo yung battery kasama yung mga aparato, no? So, gumamit ako dito ng ng double-sided tape na ano tawag dito, alien tape na dito sa baba ng ating 12 volts PSU at ng ating saksakan para dumikit sila dito sa battery. Plastic naman yan eh. Then itong boost converter, ganun din. And then itong relay, lagyan ko din. And then dito sa ating sa mini ATS, yan, walang naman yan, tinanggal ko muna para secret muna. Madaming space dyan sa taas, yan madaming space sa taas. So binutasan ko siya yan para ma-mount naman itong LVD, yan, low voltage disconnect, yan. So ganito yung magiging itsura nya. And then itong PoE splitter naman, naglagay lang ako ng symbol PoE and LAN para gusto ko kasi ubad siya. And then i-mount ko naman siya dito sa taas ng relay, yan, ganyan siya. Kasi bakit ko siya i-mount dyan? Kasi itong laman niya, guys, yan, madaming space, madaming space, kaya pwede natin siyang ilagay dyan. Yan, ganyan siya. Ayan, so madaming space yung niya, yung loob. So magiging ganito siya. Ayan. So full charge na siya eh. Ayan, ganyan siya. And then ito naman, magsusolda tayo, guys. Ito, lagay ko siya dito. And then ito naman dito. Tapos ito sa taas niya. Ayan. And then maglalagay din ako ng 12 volts mamaya dito. Okay. So ayun na. Ayan. So isa-isahin natin. Hoping na may video natin yung sarili natin na ginagawa ito. So kung wala, i-picture. Okay. So ayan, natanggal ko na yung mga takip niya. So ito, magsaside siya dito sa right. Ito. Then ito naman is magsaside yung AC niya magsaside din dito sa right. Ganyan. Sorry, baliktad. Ganyan. So ayan yung AC niya. Okay. So para saan to? Para sa guys, ito. Para sa charging kapag walang solar. So make sure lang na ma-free siya from alikabok para maganda yung mounting. Okay. Yan. ito, dun sa butas niya, dun sa honeycomb na butas niya is ginawa ko is yung tornilyo ng point slot. Ayan, mahigpit na yan. And then ito naman yung ating outlet. Itong outlet guys, kapag gusto nyong magsaksak ng direct sa AC, at least meron kayong extension. Okay. Yan. And then itong relay is dito siya. Yan. 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 Okay na. Okay. And then yung susunod guys is tutornilyo ko na itong yan. Tutornilyo ko muna siya para mailagay ko yung baliktad ata. Ito yung 12 volts. Tama. Ito yung out niya. Ito yung out. Okay. So, tutornilyo ko muna siya para kahit walang maghawak, maitornilyo ko yung LBD dito sa plastic. Ayan. Oops. Hirap ng no? Walang assistant. Okay. So, tornilyo lang muna natin para may tayo, may alalay, may kapit. Yan. Okay. Next, itong LVD, ihaharap ko siya doon. Ayan. So, ayan, nakaharap siya doon. Doon ang harap niya hindi yung wire niya dito. Okay, so para sa yung LVD, para ito sa automatic na pag-disconnect kapag kapag malobat yung ating kapag masyadong lobat yung ating battery. Bakit siya kailangan ng LVD? Kasi guys, kapag hindi siya nilagyan ng LVD, yung LVD kasi meron siyang meron siyang tatlong parts. Kaya natin yung tornilyo ko. Siya straight para lang kumapit muna. May scrap lang ito natin, tornilyo natin. So for the meantime, ganyan lang muna. Pag may free hand na ako is gagawin ko is ko siya, ipitan ko siyang mabuti. Pud na rin itong tornilyo. Ito ipapakita ko muna sa inyo guys yung mounting para pero mamaya tatanggalin ko ulit to kasi ipapakita natin yung pagsolda naman. Nalagyan natin ng solda yan. So ganyan muna for the meantime. Meron siya kasing tatlong parts guys, yung low voltage disconnect, kailan niya i-disconnect para maalagaan yung battery para hindi siya, di ba parang ito VRLA, valve regulated lead acid battery is sa 50% lang ang DOD niya, depth of discharge. So pag umabot siya ng 50% at hindi mo siya i-disconnect, meaning iubusin mo siya hanggang mag-zero is or not totally zero, nasa mga 10 volts ganun, kasi mayroon pa rin namang maiiwan yan, hindi siya totally mag-zero, is kakaroon na ng isang cycle yung battery mo na na hindi na hindi na ganun kaganda yung performance niya pag napabayaan mo siyang mabot ng hanggang sa 10 volts ganun. So ang mangyayari dyan, magiging konti na lang yung lifespan ng battery mo. So bakit may low voltage disconnect? Para kapag naabot nyo yung 50% depth of discharge, di-disconnect nyo yung battery. Kung walang other source, off muna. So mag-off muna yung system mo para hindi masira yung battery. Susunod naman doon is yung reconnect, voltage reconnect. So halimbawa kung 12 sabihin natin 12 yung ating pero discuss natin later on yan. Example lang muna, 12 yung disconnect. So disconnect siya ng 12 and then let's say mga gabi pa lang yun. So hindi pa siya, wala pang araw. So ang mangyayari dun guys is maubos yung battery, di ba? Or walang magcha-charge dun sa battery mo, kaya nanatili siyang naka-off hanggang umaga. Ganito yung mangyayari pag walang LVD Pagdating ng umaga at yung panel mo na arawan, umakyat siya ng, say, ang reconnect natin ay kasi yung 12 is i-connect pa rin niya kung walang LVD Let's say 12.3 ganun. So mag-on ulit yung system mo, tapos yung 0.3 volts na yun is nagamit ng system mo kasi nga meron kang access point, may router ka, may Orange Pi ka, may coin slot ka. So mauubos yung yung 0.3 volts, mag-off ulit siya. So mag-shutdown yung system mo. Ngayon dahil naaarawan naman yung panel mo, mag-on ulit siya kasi magti-3 ulit yun, 0.3 ulit. So maubos ulit yung 0.3, madadagdagan ng 0.3, maubos yung 0.3, madadagdagan ng 0.3. So maglo-loop na siya on off hanggang yung system mo na mismo ang masisira. So yun ang advantage ng merong low voltage disconnect. So halimbawa i-disconnect nyo ng 12, halimbawa lang muna, and then ang reconnect mo ay 0.6. So, hindi mag-on itong system mo hanggat hindi niya naabot yung 12.6. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun. So, pag naabot niya yung 12.6, saka lang siya ulit mag-on kahit matagal nang may araw. Parang ganon. So, yun ang advantage ng mayroon low voltage disconnect. So, ano naman ang purpose nito? Kapag walang araw, AC ang mag-charge doon sa battery mo at sa whole na system ng magiging source niya. Para siyang load balance, hindi. Para siyang failover. So bali dalawang papasok dito, AC at saka solar. So AC at saka DC. Pag may AC, kung ang naka-priority ay solar ang gagamitin niya. Pag nawala yung solar, mag-off yung solar, maka-on yung AC ang papasok na walang interruption. Ito yung mangyari. Itong ETS is a separate entity dito sa low voltage disconnect. Yan.
The new way to earn money with links on the internet, called linkvertise.net.
Next guys is, dahil na-mount ko na silang yung mga importanteng parts niya na kailangan nakamount dito kasi hindi natin siya pwedeng itornilyo lalagyan natin ng wire galing na lang siguro dito, punta dito, then ito yung buka sa AC. So buksan muna natin. Lagyan ng wire. para siyang tornilyo. Lahat yan is dikit-dikit. Then lalagyan natin siya ng wire papunta doon at wire sa outlet. Okay. So ito yung gagamitin ko, flipping, tapos ordinary na house wire kasi yun lang available natin, and hindi naman tayo gagamit ng sobrang maraming voltahe, so okay naman na siguro ito. And then of course ferrules, so both sides gagamit ako ng ferrules. Yung blue, yung papunta sa DC and yung papunta sa AC. Yan. So, punta sa DC at punta sa AC. Bali, ito guys, may dalawang magpupulupot kasi magiging saksakan yung isa. Ayan. So, isang maikli. Yan, isang maikli muna. Paikutin mo lang naman yan, ganyan, para maging isang strand lang sila. Yan. And then papasok yung ferrules, saka natin siya i-crimp para makapit. Yan. Ganun din sa kabila. Sa other side is dalawa. Kasama yung positive, negative kasi pupunta siya sa outlet. Magandang sobrahan mo para lumagpas siya dito sa tip. Yan, magiging isang stand siya. bukas siya ng konti. Minsan ginagawa ko dito is tinichip ko yan, tapos sinosolda ko para mas makapit at mas matigas. Tapos dito sa other end, gagamit ako ng male plug na Royu. Okay, mura lang to, nasa 20 lang ata to sa Shopee. So ilalagay pa rin natin yung mga link, pati yung link nitong mga pag-crimp ng ferrules. Minsan pag-trip natin is sinusolda din natin to sa may metal niya. Pero hindi na siguro. I-tornilyo na lang natin. Ginagawa ko yun siya, di ko siya ganyan, tapos nalagay dito, patiin ko na siya. Ganyan din sa kabila. Ito naman sa AC side is wala nang polarity. Dito sa plug wala na siyang polarity, kahit mapagbaliktad mo na yun. Ayan, ganyan siya. Iikot din siya. Minsan iniikot ko din dito para humigpit. Then saka mo siya paigpitan sa tornilyo. Yan. And ganun din sa kabila.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
natin.
I had to do it all myself.
Na din natin. Ito, saktong-sakto yung pagkaka-spare na doon sa butas.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Metal
tough
kakasama.
and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's what I'm here to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
Ay,
If you just
konting
believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all
So,
myself.
next is magsusolda naman tayo dito.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
So,
statement.
bali,
I don't ever
itong out
slow
nyo
up,
guys
no I don't take shit. I got no love
12
for the
volts.
fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a
Ito
statement.
is yung dalawang source. Tapos ito para sa load. Okay, so mag-solda tayo dito. Solda tayo dito. Solda tayo dito. Okay, then gagawa pa tayo ng isa pa dito. Punta dito. 12 volts. Ito yung magiging out niya na pupunta doon sa ating mini ATS. Dito pupunta doon.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love
Pero maano to?
play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Then,
Every word I move so descriptive like an
soldering nga
adjective.
yung
I got a
gagamitin natin ng
vendetta
board.
against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Crimp lang natin
I got
itong
facts over
isa
facts
pang
over tracks, this and that, spin slow,
12
spinning
volts
fast, I can roast, I
mula
can
dun
gas,
sa
think I'm
DC
okay
side
at
ng
last, but I don't
CSU
know if that can erase all the
papunta
past
sa
and the pettiness, a reflection of the
DC
emptiness,
side.
hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious,
PSU,
because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always
dun
be
sa
a bit
power
superior,
supply,
get
DC
off
side
of
na
me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever
So
slow
kung type
up,
din
no I
ninyo
don't
guys
take
yung
shit.
board
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
word.
and wanna hate this, I'll always
Lagay
show
din natin
up
yung
and make a
link sa
statement.
description.
Or
sa- yes, sa description.
Dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off.
Share links on the internet and earn money. Start now on linkforties.net.
I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone